How to generate 9:16 video in Gemini. So if you want to generate a 9:16 video in Gemini, then first you need to open up your browser and then search for Gemini. Go with the first search, which is gemini.google.com. Once you're here, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you just need to simply go with the tools, which is right here, and then you need to go and select create videos with view. Next, you need to go with the plus icon, which will be on the left side, and then go with upload files. Right click on the photo that you would like to add, and you need to right click on it, and then you will have an option of rotate right. You need to click on rotate right to convert it to 16:9, and then click on open and enter a prompt such as animate images, then click the sideways arrow icon and it will start creating. Once the video is finished, you can click on download and save it. That's how you can generate a 9:16 video in Gemini. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.